All right, good morning, gentlemen.
Good morning.
All of you guys have picked up cases from another state, so we need to figure out what's going on. Who is Mr. Burnett?
Yes,
Mr. Burnett, you are wanted out of Florida for the charges of battery, criminal mischief, grand theft in the first degree, and robbery by sudden snatching. Are you waiving formal extradition?
yes, sir.
Okay, we wish you the best of luck. Who is Mr. Perkins? Mr. Perkins, you're wanted out of the state of Illinois for first degree murder. Are you waiving formal extradition?
To go home? I mean, to go back to Chicago.
Yeah. Okay, guys, I wish you both the best of luck.
I need signatures on them, Judge.
Yeah, done.
Their signatures.
Oh, Deputy Julian, do you mind? And then, what is it? Amy, who's the showman?
This is Gordon Stock.
Golden Stock? Gordon Stock. All right, good morning, Mr. Gordon
How you
Stock.
doing?
Also, they're going to use you with us today.
Hi, Katie.
Hi, Judge.
What's new?
Not much. I just got back from Cancun. What about you?
Man, life is good. Man, I want to go to Cancun.
It was pretty nice. Very pretty.
Anywhere is better, right? So
Yeah.
you said, is it? I don't see it on docket today. What was the last name?
Scott.
Oh, Scott. Wait a minute, Scott. Okay, Mr. Scott.
Yes, sir.
I see you now. You were wanted out of the state of Oklahoma for drug trafficking and a robbery case. Okay. Shh.
Now, guys.
Your lawyer is asking for me to set you a bond. I don't know. You know, one of the main things that it concerns me are two. One, are you going to go back if we give you a bond? Number two, are you a dangerous person? Because I don't want to give you a bond and then you leave a wake of destruction on your way back to Oklahoma, because then, you know, it's not cool, right? So I don't know anything about you. The only way I really get to know you is by paper, because that tells me who you are. Amy, tell me about Mr. Scott.
Yes, he wanted out of Oklahoma County, Oklahoma for conspiracy to commit drug trafficking, marijuana, conspiracy to commit robbery, conspiracy to commit kidnapping for extortion. The bond over there is 1 million. This was issued April 3rd of 20 this year.
Shreya?
Judge, Mr. Scott is 34 years old. He's never been arrested, no criminal history. He's lived in Houston his whole life. He is a Navy veteran and served 8 years, honorably discharged 2021. And again, I've spoken with Mr. Scott, well, without going into the facts or anything like that. He says he's absolutely innocent and wants to go turn himself in and let them know and handle the issue. He also has a plan to return. We talked about going back within 14 days. I urged within the first 5.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Did I
ma'am.
miss anything, Mr. Scott?
No, man, we did.
Do you have anything else to let the judge know about whether he should give you a bond?
Shh.
I'm not a criminal. I'm not I don't know what the word you said to the public. I have no risk. I'll be down there in 4 days. My pops will drive me down there. I want to go ahead and get nipped in the bud. I'm already working on a lawyer. I'm just trying to get down there and handle my business. I own a business on the north side, a vape shop. I have no criminal history. I have not been in trouble. I'm 34 years old. Got a 4-year-old son, birthday coming up next month. I'm just trying to take care of my business.
State your position.
Judge, based on just the charges themselves and the fact that it is $1 million bond in the demanding jurisdiction, I would be opposed to a bond. I'm not seeing any extensive criminal history. I just see some like charges entitled crimes against person harassment.
You,
Hold up. I'm sorry.
oh, you see what?
I see a charge that says crimes against person harassment, but that appears to be dismissed. And then I see a failure to appear out of Denver Police Department. When I ran as history judge, that's what I'm seeing. But again, just based on the charges and the $1 million bond, I would be hesitant.
John, I have never had no charge or any of that. I have not been arrested. Or no, I don't know what she said.
I understand, but the severity of the charges scare me, Mr. Scott. You know,
100% understand. But I have never, that's,
I believe you, but the problem is that I think that the amount and the type of charges are probably just a little bit too dangerous for me. You know, I give bonds all the times, but with the conspiracy to commit the robbery and then the conspiracy to extort, what was it again?
Conspiracy to commit kidnapping for extortion.
Yeah, that kind of kills it for me, you know? So what we'll do now is, has he already waived or what is the?
He waived on April 11th.
Okay, so you have 3 days credit, right? We give them 14 days to come get you. If they don't come get you within the 14 days, and Harris County releases you. So, you know, we'll give you the time as the credit that you have now so that it'll go toward the 14 days. But that's a little bit too dangerous for me, man. I can't, you know?
prior history. I've served my country. This is,
And I'm sure that'll go toward over there, but
yeah.
me, it's a little too dangerous, man.
Hey, like, I'm trying to get on top of it. I don't want to sit here, then they offset me. I'm ready to go take care of this. This has nothing to do with me.
What I would suggest is the thousands of dollars that you would pony up just to get out now, because if I were to set you a bond, I would set you a high bond, right? That money you'd have to pay in full. It would probably be ill-advised just to use it to get out. I would get yourself a lawyer out there. You know what I mean? That money's probably really better spent. Get yourself a good lawyer out there to care of the charges, because they're probably looking at quite a bit of time. All right? Okay, man. Good luck, guys. Thanks.
You want a bond? Stick bond?
He failed to appear, so. Okay, hi.
Morning, Judge.
Hi.
Mr. Fonseca on the docket.
Okay. Do you have the,
Oh, yes, Judge.
Yeah.
Fonseca?
Fonseca.
Good morning, Mr. Fonseca. Sir, you're charged with the offense of assault of a family member. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. You have worked out an agreement where they're offering you 30 days in jail with credit for the 15 days that you have already done. Is this how you understand the agreement?
Yes.
You need to understand that this charge will go on your record. It's going to be there for the rest of your life. You also need to understand that there's an affirmative finding of family violence. What that means is that if you ever pick up another one of these cases, you will be facing a third-degree felony. You can never own a gun or ammunition as a result of this plea as well. Do you understand?
Yes.
You're giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal, meaning once you plead guilty, it will go on your record. It will be there for the rest of your life. Mr. Fonseca, from now on, an assault doesn't have to be where you knock down, punch someone, and the mere fact that you grab someone's arm hard enough to where it hurts them, that can be sufficient to charge you potentially with a third-degree felony. Do you understand?
¿Usted lo entiende?
So, all
Yes.
right. How do you plead to the offense? Guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
I'm going to find you guilty. I'm going to follow the agreement, send you to it. Good luck to you, sir. Thank you. We'll have you see the clerk. Blaze, can I borrow you for a second? Mr. Chauvin, you're charged with a resisting arrest. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. Looks like you also have another case as well, a criminal trespass. I'm assuming, Alan, that was going to be dismissed.
Yes, sir.
Is this how you understand the agreement? It is 12 days in jail with credit for the 4 days that you have done. So that means that you've satisfied the time. The only problem is this is going on your record. It will be there for the rest of your life. From now on, you're facing a minimum of 90 days in jail. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
You're giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf. confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up your right to appeal. Do you understand? This is what you want to do. How do you plead to the office of resisting arrest? Guilty or not guilty? I'll find you guilty. I'm going to send you to it. Good luck to you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you so
We'll
much.
have you see the clerk.